Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with the Jigsaw Sudoku. News of the day, well, Holland has won the first gold medal, yes, with rowing. This one will be number 9007. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I think it's a 0 stars. Maybe a 1 star. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. For 1 star, need to be faster than 50 minutes. And could be a 0 stars. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0, a 1, or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, 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 and there, and another one. A lot of single boxes. Here, here, here. Single box, always a 1. Here also, there. Wow, that's a lot. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? I see only one dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Let me see. Let me see. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? See here. No. Here, quadra box. Cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. Yeah. Okay. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Where you see the T shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Of course, it's a 4. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Where you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape. I believe the last shape. This one. Let me draw this here. Where you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. Here another one. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area supposed to be here is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3. And the 4 we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this cross area supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, now let me see. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here is connected with that box. Should be so 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4 we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3 we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, 1 digit left, number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing and a 5 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3 we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 and 5 we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be 1. This box can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Well, I think this box should be a 4 in this quadra box because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yeah, definitely a 4. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Cannot be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and 5. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in the 5 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be in, 2 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. Alright, then, let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3 is connected with that box. 2 and a 3. What? We already have a 2 there. So it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for number 2. And the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yeah, definitely 5. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, told you. Can I be a 3 stars? Can I be a 2 stars? Can I be a 1 star? Nope. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 3 puzzles. Until then. Nope, not 3, 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.